I meet Nabi Mama, and she was, oh my, my first impression was, wow, K-pop idol. Wow, Sasuga Korea, so pretty and fashionable and elegant and mommy sorry, mommy sorry,
Huh?
sorry, no, yeah.
Nice.
Nabi Mama dressed way more like an elegant idol than I did. I dressed way more childish compared to her. Every time I look at Nabi, I'm like, shit, she's so cute. How is she so cute? How does she do it? She's so sweet. Her face expressions are like the same as on stream, it feels like. She smiles and laughs a lot, and she looks so cute. We keep on saying cute to each other, which is a very wholesome interaction. It's like a cute circle, a praising circle. Very, very titty. What titty?